Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to tell you how you can cancel or move a server boost from one server to another. Let's say you accidentally boosted the wrong server, or you don't feel like boosting it anymore. You can go down here to the lower left hand corner next to your username. There's the little gear icon. That's your user settings. Then you can go down here to server boost, and this shows your boosted servers. To illustrate how it worked, I boosted mine a couple of times with my free subscription down here on 11th of June, and I can go across from each boost on the date. There's these three little dots, and this allows me to either cancel a boost. This only works on ones that you have purchased extra boosts independent of your Nitro subscription. But if it's just a part of the free boost that you get every month from your Nitro subscription, you can only transfer it by hitting transfer boost. Then you can roll through here and you can select a different server that you would like to boost instead. And that's it. That is how you can boost different servers as opposed to the one that you did. And you can also cancel them this way if you purchased additional server boosts. Once you've used the ones that come with your subscription for Nitro, you can't unboost. You have to just move it to a different server. That's basically how it works. If you don't want to give it to people that aren't like your friends, you can create an empty Discord server and let that be where you hold your boosts until you find a server you'd rather put them on. It's completely up to you what you do with them. But that is how you cancel your active boosts or move them to a different server. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.